Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're diving into the Roborock Qrevo S5V, a robot vacuum and mop designed to simplify your home cleaning. It packs 12,000 paw suction, advanced mopping, and a fully automated dock into a mid-to-premium package. Let's see if it's the right fit for your home. Check the link in the description for the best price. The Qrevo S5V combines serious cleaning power with intelligent navigation. The powerful 12,000 Pascal suction, combined with triple anti-tangle hardware, handles embedded dirt and pet hair effectively across various floor types. Its FlexiArm design, with extending mops, significantly improves cleaning coverage right up to walls and around furniture legs, reducing missed spots. The all-in-one smart dock reduces manual intervention dramatically, handling dust emptying, mop washing, warm air drying, and water refilling automatically. LiDAR mapping provides reliable route planning, though its reactive obstacle avoidance for smaller household items is good, but not flagship level. This model demonstrates strong performance in daily cleaning, efficiently managing floors with powerful suction and smart mopping capabilities. Considering its features and performance, the Qrevo S5V offers strong value. This robot vacuum includes an impressive array of premium automation features like edge mopping and a comprehensive dock at a more accessible price point. With its robust suction and SGS-certified zero-tangle system, this model is particularly well-suited for homes with pets, effectively handling hair and dander. The automated dock significantly reduces daily maintenance, allowing you to enjoy a hands-free cleaning experience for extended periods. Compared to its rivals, the Qrevo S5V stands out as one of the stronger mid-tier options, offering a compelling mix of suction power and automation. The Qrevo S5V delivers a strong value proposition, bundling advanced features and automation that often cost significantly more. Every product has considerations. Here are the potential risks for buyers. Its reactive obstacle avoidance is effective for larger items, but small cords or very tiny objects might still pose a challenge to its sensors. Even with full automation, the dock still requires periodic manual cleaning of its trays, tanks, filters, and dust bags to maintain optimal hygiene. Roborock's use of similar Qrevo model names can make it confusing for buyers to compare features and differentiate between specific models. Roborock provides official app control, regular firmware updates, readily available replacement parts, and reliable customer support for this model. While generally safe, buyers should be aware of limitations regarding small object avoidance and the need for regular dock maintenance. The Roborock Qrevo S5V earns a strong recommendation because it brings together excellent cleaning power and advanced dock automation at a reasonable price point. Its ability to vacuum intensely and mop edges thoroughly, combined with a hands-free dock, makes it a compelling choice. While obstacle avoidance could be more sophisticated, this model is fantastic for pet owners and busy homes seeking serious cleaning convenience. It offers a premium experience without the absolute top-tier investment.